The fact that your newly installed M.2 SSD does not appear in Windows Explorer is actually completely normal. Unfortunately, some people assume the SSD is defective and to the treatment of the manufacturers return it unnecessarily. That's why I will show you how to set up your SSD in Windows. To set up your new SSD in Windows 10 and Windows 11, right-click on your Windows icon. Then select Disk Management. You should now see a message indicate that your new SSD needs to be initialized before it can be used. Click OK. Once the disk is initialized, it will show as Basic and Online underneath. Next, a file system needs to be created. Left-click on the black bar and then right-click and select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Click Next again. Choose a letter for your volume and click Next. Give your volume a label if desired, then click Next. And finish. Now check your Windows Explorer. You should be able to see your new SSD. Please press like and subscribe if this video was helpful. If you are experiencing issues with your SSD or it is running slower than the manufacturer's specification, I recommend to watch my video on how to install an SSD. It might help to solve additional problems. Okay, check it out and then maybe I will see you in the next video.